Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is one part out of 5 of the houses we're bringing you from Ruiru. Today we are in Ruiru, Mugutha, in a beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow. Welcome. From the exterior, and you can see here you have a very beautiful black sliding gate. It's very beautiful, and then you can see we have already done the perimeter wall for you, and that's not enough. And so here are some of the plans. Here is a cabro paving, so this is parking for 2 cars, and then you have a front garden right here and a pavement going all over the house. So on this other side, you do have biodigester, and for other amenities you also have solar. I'll mention all of them later. From your cabro paving up 2 steps, you have a very beautiful entry coach, and as you can see on the columns, very beautiful moldwork has been done. And then I want you guys to come in so that you can see it's so spacious out here. You can actually place a seat or whatever you wish, and you have very nice large windows, and you'll see how bright it is inside the house. Up here in the entry porch, very beautiful gypsum work done with the lighters, so it's very well lit even at night. So we'll come on in. Here is a very strong steel door. It is so beautiful and it's so heavy. So coming in from the main door, I want to start with the door details first. It is a steel door with frosted glass, and I want to show you this window behind me. You have a corner window moment, absolutely beautiful. This sitting room is so large, it is so large. Let me stand on this other side. You can see all that space. You can really play around with furniture in this space, perfect for a big family. So up here, this is your TV wall, gypsum paneling done for you, and the gypsum one as well. So it's absolutely beautiful. It comes like so. It's already done for you, and then it has downlighters all around, and we have a beautiful chandelier up here that also comes with the house. On this other side, you have a small window to balance that, and you have more wall sconces, absolutely beautiful. So that's it about the sitting room. I'll take you to the dining. Coming from the sitting, we have a step up, and here is your beautiful dining area. A table for 8 can easily fit here. It is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. The gypsum wall continues up to this dining area, and the beautiful chandelier just above me. Absolutely beautiful. Here is a balcony, even in the dining area, and on this other side, you have a wash hand basin to clean your hands before you eat. And this part brings me to the kitchen. This part gives us a very good visual separation between the dining area and the kitchen. Here is your kitchen, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can see this is a lot of cabinet space. This is very adequate for all your family needs. So right here, you have a provision for your fridge, and let's move. This is a provision for your cooker. Absolutely beautiful granite countertops. And then let's move on this other side. So here is your tap, a double sink, and this tap mixer can actually control the pressure of the water. So let's move on to the pantry. So the pantry here is quite spacious, and you can fit a lot of groceries in the space. So from your kitchen, here is your laundry area. It's very, it's adequate for a family. And this is where you do you hang your clothes. So this part here is the kitchen, and this this part transitions to the hallway that will take you to the bedrooms. So up here you have a hand wash basin. I really don't understand why it's here, but it's here. And then on this other side, I told you there's a solar heating. You have a solar water controller in your meter box up here. And then this place is also lit, and on my right is a common bathroom. We'll show you that in a bit. And it will come here. So this part, this is the first bedroom, and the rest of the bedrooms are on this other side. Bedroom number 1. Large windows which bring a lot of air and a lot of light in this area. Gypsum work done. Wardrobe spaces on this side. Quite busy, but nothing you can't handle. So that's it about this bedroom. Now I'll take you to its washroom. Quite spacious. A hand wash basin here with both hot and cold water provision. A toilet seat here and a shower area here with both hot and cold water provision. Here is bedroom number 2. Nice large window and ceramic tiles. Big wardrobe spaces, and you also have a corner shelf up here inadequate for your clothes. And here is the washroom. The master bedroom. So this is where your bed goes. You have a lighting here and also another one on the other side. So you can see you have some nice gypsum work done. You can install a chandelier. It has the lighters all around, and you also have wall sconces. Over here you have a walk-in closet and your washroom. So
that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Look out for the next one. Bye.